is expensive right now, so instead of buying more of it, I bought something that lets me upgrade later. The Acasis TBU401 Pro hard drive enclosure. Also, one other thing, just letting you know that Acasis did send this out free of charge. I thought this might be the best item for someone looking for a budget storage setup. Again, what I'm trying to say is someone who's looking for just an external SSD hard drive enclosure or storage, say to their laptop, their desktop, just to add for pictures, documents, etc. Looking at this hard drive, one big major feature that it offers is up to 40 gigabytes of transfer speed. Again, this is going off of Thunderbolt 4, which it's extremely fast, but even with, say, a MacBook Neo, if you're using the USB 3.0 port, it's going to be fairly fast. This gives you future proofing. Look, big things here, right? If I'm going to talk about the compatibility straight out, is Thunderbolt 3, Thunderbolt 4, USB 4, USB 3.2, USB 3.1, USB 3.0, and USB 2.0. It's also lightweight and portable. This is something you could throw in a backpack. You could throw it in your pocket. And it's fairly light and it's decent. One other big convenience is it's got an onboard fan, and it does come with a thermal paste sticky if you wanted to throw on it, just to help make sure that there's no thermal bottling on that specific drive. What it does come with, right, contents, you have your M.2 enclosure. Tool installation for M.2 SSDs. Also, they give you little plastic inserts so that you can use this for different size M.2s. You got a Thunderbolt cable. Thunderbolt cables are fairly expensive still, so that helps out. Thermal pad, manuals, and the rubber stoppers, and those are substituting what traditional USB SSD enclosures would use a screw, where this is kind of like plug and play, help it out. I do love that compatibility and quickness, because once I've filled out one of these, I can always buy another one and put that in a pile or somewhere safe where I can continuously use storage. And this is where this budget option really shines. So guys, hopefully this has helped you made some type of clear decision towards buying something budget worthy. And you know, before I leave you, I just want to let you know, right, clarity beats regret, and having no regret is going to give you confidence. If you do decide to buy this, what you're doing is supporting my channel. It doesn't cost you anything besides this specific product, but it helps me keep on running, and hopefully it's going to continue this partnership as well as affiliates. So as years to come, I'm going to be able to bring you guys more products budget wise in what can help you in real world situations to help your life. So on this note, guys, clarity beats regret. And just remember, having no regret equals confidence. M.2 SSD storage just way too expensive to even think about purchasing at the moment? Let me know. Please leave your comments down below, and it's greatly appreciated. And also don't forget to share this out to your friends if you found this helpful. Thanks again, and if you haven't already, please click the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Everyone watches YouTube for different reasons. Some people here for entertainment. Other people are looking for something to solve a problem. Maybe this little Socratic talk helps you make a smarter tech decision. But if you think I'm a reviewer, I'm not reviewing. I'm just trying to get your mind to open up to a different possibility before you spend your hard-earned money. And hopefully in this discussion, you get one small insight that helps you make a choice when you spend your hard-earned money. I just want you guys to remember this. Clarity beats regret. And you need to know what you're buying before you buy. Hey, just letting you guys know, if you're still watching, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up. And YouTube says that you might like this video here. I personally feel that you might like one of these videos here, my most updated video.